Perfect. Make your arm into the shape of the moon. But don't touch your head. Good job. Now, when we curtsy, we put this foot.
Look at my boobs are right down. This is up and this one.
Yeah, that's a really good move. Now, we'll curtsy. I'll show you the curtsy. Ballerina. Now I'm going to show you how to do the curtsy. You're not listening.
You curtsy?
Okay. Now watch. Okay, see how I stand like this. I put this toe by this heel. Good. Can you do what I'm doing?
I can do it.
Cross your feet.
And then you
Look. Felony, curtsy with Auntie? It's the end of the show. Oh, twirl. Twirl. Left foot. There you go. Left foot. Right foot. Fan kick. Fan kick. Yeah. Left foot. Right foot. Fan. Can you fan kick? Oh yeah. That's what she's doing. She's practicing them. That's why she kicks her feet, though. You see them? Because she's trying to point her toes.
Yep, and you can teach her to point her toes if you ever
My little
watching
superstar.
TV. If you ever like watching TV, just have her sit with her like